Blessed Sigma, the world drowns in corruption. Your empire is aflame with heresy. The faith.
Y lagunok ongi etorri Lastertxapelen kanalera, ongi etorri berez ere Vermintide honetan gaur aktualizazio berria izan delako eta Astier Andorraren bigarren zatia atera dutelako, pasen urtean atera zuten lehen da biziko. Zatia eta orain bigarren zatia doainik, eta suposatzen da pertsonei guztiak duten eskinen arabera, hau da gerillan esan daiteke bide zaintzaia, dontzaia, bueno, suposatzen daukatzen duzun mota hauetariko bat soilik asunek gerillianekin izango litzateke dontzeiarekin jantzi berriak edo eta bera, misioa. Vale. Lortu dugu, botxelin eta lortu barko genituzke hiru grimorio eta tomo berri bat. Bueno, eta hau pizkanaka egiten jaten denez berdin zaigu. Gauza da, ezakitala gauzeriak lortzen diren hemen erosten edo ez, horretik investigatzen. Vale, DLC berri baten antzeko izango litzateke. Hemen guztiak izateko eta hemen nahi duzuna izateko. Beraz DLC baten moduen izango litzateke, ezta? Vale, honetarako izateko Bretoniaren izan beharko genuke Bretoniaren salduaren DLC-a. Vale, hori jakiteko soilik. Joango gara ona. A ver. Misioak. Non dago? Vale, hau izango litzateke. Orain, aurrera. Saiatuko gara beste bai saltzen den gurekin jogatzeko.
What do you reckon about the news from Bretonia? Civil war's no good for anyone.
Bueno, hartu daitezke biak eta gero agian pertsona gehiago sartuko dira.
I swear I'm not.
Vale, este bat datu.
So Lilith is my witness and probably yours.
Vale. Gaixo moduz moldatzen garen hasierako partida honetan.
After all these months hunting Ratmen and Northlanders, it seems I am called upon to purge a vile practitioner of undeath. It matters not that she is kin to Fuegonasas, for whom I confess some small regard. Her crimes cannot go unpunished.
We cannot permit the witch to spread her curse. Sigmar forbids it. We have to stop her before she raises an army from the unwitting locals. You'll find her at the highest point of the tower. Expect the unexpected.
Haven't clobbered a necromancer in ages.
Just make sure you don't get the two of us confused. We are twins, you know.
I smell magic on the air. Keep your eyes open, mayflies.
I'm sure I can manage a small reward if you can find the rest of those skulls.
This is your last warning. Turn back or face my wrath.
Hala.
Oh, always did have a flair for the dramatic, didn't you? Come on, down here.
Don't get cocky, we ain't done.
Darlings, this is a dead end.
Ahí bagoaz, lasai.
Find that cursed Lightstormer. He can't be far.
Listen! Leech! Rathelm, shoot it!
There's potions here.
Meddle with the alchemistry if you must, but be swift.
Vale, jarraitu ezagun.
My pet-born minions! Cast them out! So much for the blood.
Another kill! See me, please! That's how it's done! So many kills, Creeper! Is that valor or desperation?
Leave my test subjects well alone!
Bombs away.
Vale, mendik gotzen dela. Claro, mapa unibertsitatein berria.
Come, Wigonassus! Tarry not, for your redemption is at stake.
Vale, hemen zaudete.
Search for a way across!
Ruba, thank you. Chaos Warrior! He'll blaze like a torch!
Make way!
Sigma stand with us, a swarm! Even a witch has a unit.
Yeah, that's fine work. Keep it up.
Beresiak dira.
Oh, here we are. Some people just don't know when they're not wanted. I was minding my own business, but no! Can't have that. More about it. I think that's right. Don't you? Well, I guess we'll have a little fun, won't we? Well... Always had a fine opinion of yourself, Sophia.
Vale, guazen guztiak batera.
Don't let up! With a chaos warrior!
Smash those wards! Might not help, but you'll feel better.
Running off in different directions, yeah?
Come on, catch the anvil!
Numbers against skill again.
It's nothing.
With the winds!
Windwitch there!
The Ratling is dead. If I die, return me to the soil.
Mira, ustedes dura topatu.
I hear the Pale Queen.
I shall receive an elf die.
More potions.
You really think you can win, don't you? Sophie,
Strike it down! Strangler strangles no more! draws nigh.
Gravity is back to normal and the door is open. Now, hurry.
A most necessary potion.
Chaos warriors lumbering around.
Healing drop there. Found a skull, darling.
Morty Juan Marco, vale.
This is my little unhappy project, Drainage. You're welcome to take a look. Oh, stop it! Is it humid in here, darlings? Or is it just me?
Juego Nacional de Berría. ¿Dónde son ahí tech? Ready.
Potion!
This shouldn't be here. It should all be safely locked away.
Hope you want to fight. Found a Chaos Warrior.
The eternal dance. That frother's getting closer. The gods are returning. We should not be found wanting.
Paler than usual, son. Surely you're near enough for another round.
No la dos. Vale, vale. La luz gigante va d'auto.
Admire.
Bueno, basta.
Chaos Warrior. I'm so happy you're still alive. I don't get many chests. Chaos Warrior sighted. You'll know me by the trail of flame.
Aukis lepi izan daiteke.
Let's go up!
Vale, hemendik izan barko da.
What in Drakira's name is in this bottle?
Vale, va a ser
This way! Something Northlander! Wingalasses!
There are 6 levers to unlock the door.
Blightstormer! End his chant! Vortex wind of father blood! The sorcerer! Over there! 'Tis his doing!
Are you still here? Oh!
Up these steps!
Yeah, this path ain't working out.
Bueno, elfo baten moduan soken artean nahiko errazitzen ezela ikusia dago. Vale, guatzen. Bai, banoa zuen atzetik, latza.
Delicious strike!
Ammunition!
Muniziorik ez dut erabiltzen. Arku berezia daukadalako.
That's the drop.
Well, this'll help me along.
Close your eyes as you enter the portal, darlings. Gutter runner over there!
Hey! Look at that! What are these crabs?
Ahí va, gata. Nuen egin nahi,
Our healing!
hazen jenlu
I was
irudia.
hiding it!
Leech squad! Sure, it looks pleasant.
Dago
It's
zer.
a bit quiet.
I can't fight much longer!
See the ball, darlings! Smile
Goazen gora.
Take that potion. It might be useful. Hey, I found the stairs.
Gorantz izan beharko da.
This way!
Goazen.
Look out! Boom!
Gainera botoi xarratzen zaren momentu naskagarri horiek. Bueno. Bizitza...
So you're here. Good. I will keep
Jartzen badu
Sophia
ondo.
distracted. Your task is to destroy her curse. Is an intricate thing, but its magics can be nullified.
Vale. Hor dago la denbora, naiz eta konturatu ikusi den artean.
Now comes the reckoning. Get out of my home!
Thief, if you want to die, who am I to refuse?
Ba, giro usartu zuntzitu behar ditugu. Eta harimen putxak non
Here they
dauden,
come. only refrain from shooting me.
Not sure there should be this much blood.
Peace! I'll give you peace. Food hogs a slaughter fever.
Holy up for all that is holy!
Hasta ataca acá.
Carillion, you need patching.
Not like that, Kruber. You're making it worse. So, anyone care to pull me up? No?
Es caca.
Uphill, Bartley now. The wisdom of pleasure.
Save it for later, Saltfire.
Desde aquí culano. Sentido arredón movida.
Try to weave! Come, finish me if you dare.
You're a bit bloody.
Won't interfere with my plans.
Vale. Esqueleto, un interesgarria da. Agian ez bizirik irtengo, baina beno.
Righteousness to the
Ah, caca.
Is that all you have?
Es un cigarrillo aire.
Hear what I hear, good fellows. Leech.
Justas ganen osadía.
I'll not die here. It would be embarrassing.
Ah, caca. Hasta está cagado. Joder. Bueno. No, es que sea tu guerrero. Tu tipotzerekin hobeto.
Good evening. All is well.
Bueno, helburu izango da behintzat partida hau behin gainditzea. Bueno, edo zer dizela pertsona gero. Ez.
Vardin, about that shield work of yours. Didn't we discuss that already? Well, I remember, back at Axbite Pass, old Cazador was there, and so were his Ironbreakers. Gah, what do you want from me, Asunki? Yes, I used to be a Sullenbaki years back. I knew it! So what, why'd you give it up? It's complicated, Asunki. I don't like...
No, batzuk edo zut eskina. A ver, bolita da. Noizbait egarriko dut noski kanalera. Agian aurrerago. Zer gaiti. Ezi egin. Jo. Vale, Marcus. Victor. Siena ongo litzateke.
And suddenly, we're knee-deep in wizards of one sort or another. Oh, Saltspire's like a dog with two bones. The word heresy is getting a fair old workout right now, and that's by his standards. Never mind. Main thing's to get Alicia's tower denecromanced. The rest will work itself out.
Vale. Izango, Kerilan gaztea. Kerilia. Oh, what's then?
Always gets complicated with wizards around, don't it?
Up we go! Try to keep pace, Drenbarazi.
I remember our last visit to this place. I did not enjoy it.
I'm sure I can manage a small reward if you can find the rest of those skulls.
don't have time for this distraction. Go away and leave me alone.
Good shot, Dory! Anything the elf can kill, I can kill even more. She's doing all right, though. I'll give her that.
Agian aukera hori ez Farendeletarekin datu.
Sure, that pig looks placid now, but given its size, less normal.
Urzagorak madarikatua.
Blood everywhere and another one.
Ez ikutu nire elfa. Ez gainera hemen pozoitzen gaitu.
Here come more of the Wazzicks! Behind my shield, Dory! My shield's up, get behind me!
Some potion, lend me bigger.
All that feeling! Can't argue with the result.
That's right, Kruber! Let your training show! That's a good dummy, Dory.
Hemendik etorri gara. Gora da. Hori mapa jugar toda la de la gutxi.
An alchemist arrived, unless I'm much mistaken.
Right, Stormers, dear. He's mine. Sing your down, Durfy. No more plague from you, sorcerer.
Stench. I'll find you.
Dead! Ah!
The enchantment said mindless servants, not clueless.
Ja, gauza da.
Stop the intruders.
Esta aldera Juan Margarela. Gauza ez duela gogoratzen.
Packmaster's dead.
Modu bat zegoen horregotzeko.
Something there. Assassin!
By Sigma, a skull!
Ez gogoratzen ondik ze.
There may be a lot of them, but they don't stand a chance.
You hear that life leech, Dory?
Or is there something else going on?
when they're not wanted. I was minding my... Walk away, and we won't say any more about it. Don't you? Well, I guess we'll have a little...
You'll need to destroy the walls to open the door.
Oi! Over here! Take your best shot! No, nothing wrong. Try again. Harder. Still here? Just take a swing. I see a Shillastumi over there! A Stormweaver!
Charters and Spite! Chaos Warrior!
Come on, Water! I test my drum reel! Go for it! Yeah, like gobbles, the lot of you! The Chaos Warrior shall be eternal dance! Keep going, Rocky, you might get more fighting! Good try, Dory! Now let's have another! Gas rat somewhere!
I'm not out of surprises. I promise you that.
Gas! The gas! The gas! Gas rat's dead! We're getting good at this, Dory.
Might bore each
The door is open now. What are you waiting for?
It's a nasty wound. Ha! Strangler strangles no more.
TikToks.
Over here, quickly now. Finding a potion.
That's the waste disposal area. Perhaps you'd like to try it on for size.
Go! I'm right behind you.
No, Lustria.
Sure,
It looks nice, but then the bugs come out, snakes, and then those big, scaly buggers.
How am I supposed to tidy all this up?
This is the path.
Ahora, pues bat naskari gortzen ezakit nik, Ez ikutu gure heldu. Ahora.
Yeah, I think it's this way.
Here we are, mates. Healing supplies.
Oh, it tastes vile.
The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding.
Door's locked. Better hunt down the release switches.
Kill the sorcerer, unless you like wading through bone-strewn dung. Well, I've got something else.
thing. I never want to touch one again.
Oh, hurry back home, little bugs.
So that's it! No, we're not a bad unit, all things considered. Silence that Silas Doomy!
Runs astray.
Ai, ne salzati.
Oh, aye, flailing at the wind doesn't work! Kill its master!
Vale, vas a encontrar.
That finished him! Go to a strike!
What's that?
Gazing into the stars teaches only distance, where compassion should serve.
What's this?
If that portal eats me, I'm not letting any of you...
Joder. Potolo nas cagarria. No, eso no es tan poto. Algo es el agua. Nurgelego. Me visita Gaben.
But it's a bit quiet. Hang about! Let me stitch my leg back on!
We do it.
Eyes open, lively! Looks like stairs to me!
This place help!
Raki assassin, closing past!
Ah, vale. Bien, se volaba en contra zona.
potion here!
I'll distract Sophia. You attend to the cursed mist. The brew is an intricate thing, but its magics can be managed. You have all you need. Throw them into the well.
Vale. Hemen akatu gaituzte. Nahi duenen etortu. Sei.
Now comes the reckoning. I'll have your bones for the wolves, thief!
If you want to die, who am I to refuse?
Vale.
For all that is holy!
Uy.
Lying down on the job, Ricky! That's what we call a barrack bar handshake! Here, have a bomb!
You ailing, peasant?
Heel forward, eyes up, and ready for a feast of flying limbs and gore!
Alicia's starting to struggle.
Hoo-hoo! You saw them, Sergeant!
I don't. Utsipan, Ian. Fuck.
I'm surprised you can stand, Witelgi. We've lost Grimsky. Oi, Roderick! Here to buy me a coat? Hey, here's where the action is. I'll give you one for free. There's more room here. Witelgi's gone. Right, how do I tie this bandage off?
Oh, stop it! You're boring!
Guerrero. Lentsa lortu dugu aurrera jarraitzea. echaron.
Good evening. All is well.
Aguasa merriro. Inork esun esan, izango zenik hau. Vale, badago beste bat. Walter White.
You like that? Huh. Yeah. Die, will ya?
Siena.
And suddenly, we're knee-deep in wizards of one sort or another. Oh, Saltspire's like a dog with two bones. The word heresy is getting a fair old workout right now, and that's by his standards. Never mind. Main thing's to get Alicia's tower de-necromancered. The rest will work itself out.
Ja, aurrera joatea.
Time to put the dead in undead, I guess.
Up we go! Try to keep pace, Tranquilazzi.
I'm sure I can manage a small reward if you can find the rest of those skulls.
Come on down here! I'm not playing games here. Leave or face the consequences. Don't do that to me.
A ver.
Can't fault you bigger, Dory.
That was a fine shot.
If I had to guess, this is all Sophia's work. Alicia's is more structured.
Esa no la... Tauri. Vale.
Okay, but where's the bridge? There! Assassin! Give the Wazak a kicking!
Claro. Hau da bigarren zailtasunik erreza.
Oh, books, is it? Bit messy, though.
That's a storm sorcerer! Cut into little pieces!
Let my shield take the brunt, Tranquilazzi!
Oh, here we are. Some people just don't know when they're not wanted. I was minding my own
Una
business.
curva de chambarse nuestro.
Don't you? always had a fine opinion of yourself, Sophia.
Aha, this old trick. You'll have to destroy the walls to open the door.
I'm getting a strange sense of having done this before, Dory.
Oh, not another one of those!
Summer warrior comes for us. Done ready.
Rattling gun! Heads down or fast feet, Dory! Come on, then! Shot the arm of these Kazaki do just like I told you. You hit like gobbles, the lot of you! You stink stronger than you try! Far to me!
You didn't just simply walk into my chambers, you know. Oh, Sophia, you're just making it worse. That smell. Like... Poison rat, darlings.
The door is open now. What are you waiting for?
Bueno, ovviamente da scargo ora. Lustriamo.
To our survival.
Sure, it looks nice, but then the bugs come out, then
la
the
lustra me la
snakes,
diluvio.
and then those big, scaly buggers. One for all here.
I hope there are no Saurus lurking. You'll know if you see one.
It's up there! We'll outwit the brute.
Venetano right now.
Ah, bollocks, you're still not brandy.
Selgie, that wound needs banging.
I'm so happy you're still alive. I don't get many guests.
No haré envidia.
I'll be honest, I'm still not happy about Alicia lying for me.
Yeah, funny. Makes me feel we've got more in common now.
But everyone lies to you, Kruber.
Not everyone. Wait, what?
This is the way.
¿De qué según ese hará?
I reckon I can... Yes, I can see some switches. Maybe they'll open the door.
No.
Oh, scurry back home, little bugs.
Hurry! This way!
Big latch!
Skull. How passe.
Ai, bidea ezagutzen dut. Gauza da, ea... Beste zati hori, aurreratzea lortzen dugun. Ez ere behiziera un 20.3.
What's in this?
Potion!
I don't like the portal, but I don't see it. Not a single armory in sight.
Atenas estoy enseguida.
Wait! Watch out!
La han cargado,
I'm losing blood.
Fíjate que se hizo tarde, ven.
That's better. My
No va a ser. Vale, va a ser ahora.
Sophia. Distract her, you destroy her cursed mist. This manner of brew is deadly. Introduce the proper elements, and it will decay. Place them into the well of souls.
So simple. Then again.
Simple, simple.
Now comes the reckoning.
Ya.
I'll have your bones for the wolves, thief!
Oh, leave me alone, you old hag!
Hold up, Leeling.
A ver.
Still standing, dung licker! Roasty warm twister! You won't interfere with my plans.
I'm throwing a bomb!
Well, yes! More fire! More flames!
Bueno.
Eyes leaks! Eyes open! One less leak!
Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
Don't look healthy, Sienna. Little, aren't you? Your flame's still burning. Let's find it. Oi! Over here! That's all you've got? So, not try again.
Rock.
That's all you've got. Use up more.
That'll steal your skin! Stop it! You're bored!
There you are, Brooklyn.
Guerrero.
Onto his side. Go! Come here, Watson. Just ripper on me. Take your best shot. Until it's to me. It's about to get messy.
Ahí.
Yeah. The gas! The gas! Rattling's gone! Hurry him up!
Venga ya. ¿Qué me enseñas tú? Ahora onda gusta gine kontra. Madarikatua.
Don't stay up too late. I've got work for you tomorrow.
Eso ya. Venga ya.
I like a good bit of rain, or I would.
Edo partia baten erdian berdin zait.
With the comet's return, Elf, you'll finally witness the might of Sigmar.
Oh, really? I'll be the one standing over here holding my breath, giddy with excitement.
One day, you'll pay for your...
Bit of a family squabble, this. We've got to dislodge Sophia Fueganassus from Alicia's tower with all necessary force. Don't go easy on her. Family she might be, but a necromancer she remains. I just hope Alicia's got a plan, because this could get nasty.
Baina, momentu guztietan zonalde berdinean akatu gaituzte. Eta azkenoan gainera, golpe guztiak nire kontra. Ja, vale.
Well, this is a dire situation. Almost wish I hadn't come along now.
Watch your step. I have a feeling this one's gonna get complicated.
Ah, so you found one of those skulls. If you find another, be sure to claim it.
So you're really going to take me on, are you? Oh, you'd do better to leave.
Chaos Warrior Mayflies.
Down we go.
Gotcha. Wizards have no respect for the weak.
Ammunition, take what you need. Nice bit of shielding coming right up. Rothelm sucking dirt.
Esta cuestión no era.
From mindless slaughter.
Right in the kisser. Well fought, Sergeant.
Sorry. Sono delegato
Such a mess in here. Where are all my stores and cauldrons?
I've lost mates to Chaos Warriors. I don't want to lose more.
well as enough delight. A blight stormer just for us and waiting nearby.
Ah, te gaña lapurtu dit. Ah, bueno.
Leech is down!
Oso ondo, beste lapurtzen dit.
Come, potion, lend me vigor.
Is it me, or is this quiet more worrying than the noise?
Mind controlling the cat swarm. A fascinating idea.
People just don't know when they're not wanted. I was minding Henry. Walk away. Well, I will anyhow. Doodles, darlings.
Destroy the wards. That will open the door.
Stick with me, you lot. Let's work as a team.
Screaming! Kill that blight stormer! Go on, lad.
Heal before sun! Over, you filthy bastard!
Hadi muhtemelen.
Now that rattling's dead. On your feet, Grimkeep, and work with you. This punch will better it fast.
Did you really think it was going to be that easy?
Head there, last one. Bombs away!
Wards destroyed, gravity back to normal. Acceptable.
That gas rat needs to Gas bomb! Signal, the rot hill! Follow! I know the way! A chaos barrier! Just let mine be! Armor is open. The gates are right! Coming through! Die, will ya?
Claro.
I have found a skull!
This is my little unhappy project, Drainage. You're welcome to take a look.
This shall redouble my...
Ya está luz.
It's going to take weeks to clean all this up.
Ahora. Visita questiani alle sue raccurate.
Yes, you are getting closer. Keep going.
Sono alde herrian. Eta hori guretza da Kriston marroia.
The correct path. Ammunition.
Ay.
You cannot open this next door by force. Find the levers.
Ah, se le ayuden. Vamos a derribar.
I need a hand. Now.
Coming, sir. Keep the faith.
Sí.
Oh, it's a damn troll!
While I drink.
Trolls, puking!
By the Helden Hammer! That troll shan't stop us!
Well,
Should we ever...
hey, I found the stairs.
What is it with lumber pits and bones as decoration?
That sure the wasn't.
Savage! Hack him down! A fine aim!
Manlings are no good at lens grinding, Dory, trust me.
Press on! We shall...
I'll tell you. Listen, Blightstormer!
Venga ya. Benetan.
Thomas Tan!
Don't wander off! Blast!
Joder. No voy por nada. Ahí, a la isla Nago. Ahí en el Nago. Opa, ahí. Benetan. Mendiga el barco dira. Opa, hilko naiz. Eta bizitza neukan. Eta gaina bizitza neukan. Aupa, hi.
Ah, a stash of explosive devices.
Bueno, bizitza entzaroltu duzu, Right, garden zuzen datu,
tie this bandage off. I'm pissed off! Up!
Eta bizitza gabe.
I walk with Sigma! Try, will ya? This way! Back to
Opa aí. Señores, agradecer.
Skull. Good. I knew you'd make it.
Good es.
You attend to the cursed. This manner.
Vale, kilko naiz. Berriz ere.
Now comes the reckoning. Sophia, face me, usurper.
Oh, you really think you can beat me?
What a sight! Nothing all they do!
Hori ez dut laguntzera,
I'll hold them, long as my shield holds. Wearing a card! Ocean, who wants it?
Won't interfere in my plans.
Esa huele.
Holy Sigma! Bless this ravaged body!
A ver. Hostia. Venga ya, berriro hemen. No sinestu, tío, berriro akatu gaituzte hemen.
Die. Return me to the soil.
Helgi.
That's clear! Live fire!
Ah, you're getting the knack of this, Julie! Tremendous teeth! Rakita!
Shield vermin! Incoming!
No se da. Venga ya. A ver. Buah. Gogorra da gero hau, Ai, hobeto.
Could be a long night tonight. I've got one of my feelings.
Hostia, Lilian.
A trained monkey loner. I do not.
Vale, vamos a ver.
So, an old alliance between Lorraine and Bretonia, eh?
Ahora,
Is old Kruber the rest?
Of course
Pero vos
not. He's so
partida jarremos de
happy
tú,
and...
Bit of a
vos.
family squabble, this. We've got to dislodge Sophia Fueganassus from Alicia's tower with all necessary force. Don't go easy on her. Family she might be, but a necromancer she remains. I just hope Alicia's got a plan, because this could get nasty.
Vale.
Always gets complicated with wizards around, don't it?
Lead
Pues
the way,
esto, este tipo
Dringarazi.
de
We'll get it
Sartudela.
done.
I smell magic on the air. Keep your eyes open, mayflies.
Ah, so you found one of those skulls. If you find another, be sure to...
This is your last warning. Turn back or face my wrath.
Don't get cocky, we ain't done.
Yes, take your time. I wouldn't want you to miss anything.
Life leech lurking, mayflies.
Hands up! Boy, like it! Oi! Over here! Go on! Hit me harder! Hogger! I'm still a door in his shield, stand firm, shelter behind you.
Let's
Su bico
scout
se
along with me.
rasquea.
After the first. Collect any you find.
Lightstormer, walk the winds!
Ya. Hemen zen gaizteko aukera bat zegoela.
Oh, here we are. Wanted. I was minding my own business. But no! Can't have that, can we? Oh. Just walk away. You won't say any more about it. I think that's fair. Don't you? Well, I guess we'll have a little fun, won't we? Well, I will, anyhow. Darlings.
Vale.
There's a blight stormer still in here.
Pasen ahora.
Smash those boards! Might not help, but you'll feel better.
We've done something very similar before, have we not?
Hey, off, warrior!
You cannot hide!
The ratling's gonna die!
I hope you're not upset about me mind controlling your foes. It's more efficient this way.
Sorry, claro, que no la acababa. Muchas cosas que A ver. Agian gero gora borrokan alderantzi. Zentzu izan dezake.
just simply walk into my chambers, you know. Blah, blah, blah. We're still coming for you, Sophia.
Someone kill that fucking straggler!
Gravity is back to normal and the door is open. Now, hurry.
Volans! I'm losing blood!
You look pale, wizard. I do believe you're getting better at this, dwarf.
Aye, well, takes a few battles to get everything flowing the way it should. Grundy's beard!
Strike them down!
A little black powder? No way!
That's the waste disposal area. And perhaps you'd like to try it on for size. If you won't give up, at least shut up! Rockhound's not...
Another illusion, no doubt!
Come on, tainted ones. I'm getting bored.
I hope there are no Saurus lurking. You'll know if you see one.
I give you that. Your capacity for slaughter makes you a useful ally.
Useful, but still not welcome.
Bueno. Abrirlo ahora.
Climb the ropes.
Vale, vas en Gora.
Chaos warriors stomping around. Take it out. Time for a potion.
Sluggards, one and all. Pick up your feet and keep moving.
Ah, lo voy a salir ahora.
Here, the stairs.
for you lot.
Bueno, ya dan.
Stand away! Blackfire!
Let it roll. Don't hold back. Roll Thunderbolt.
For Loren!
Are you deaf? There's a Chaos Warrior near. I'm binding my wounds.
You must find the levers to proceed.
Well, that's the Chaos Warrior down. Oh, you're beginning to bore me. Do you know that?
Kill the sorcerer! Unless you like wading through bone-strewn dung.
Found some ammunition. Can't get out this way.
Host. Hemen cigarrena.
Up here, Dory!
What's it?
It would appear the necro...
It's regurgitating! Watch out!
There is no escape!
Well, isn't that a delight? A Blightstormer just for us and waiting nearby. I hear a backstabber. Still haven't learned. Where have they gone?
Hacen el Enjoy. De nuevo van a Helmarten.
Careful.
Stop!
The stairs!
Handik ez dut ulertu esatik den. Baina ben.
Be ready! Chaos Warrior is near! Dead end, it seems.
Hau zeo zertarako da.
So you're here. Good.
Yeah.
Your task. A concoction of this kind can be distilled properly. Counter potions are simple enough to create with what lies to hand. Add them to the cauldron.
Vale. Hemen gaude berriro ere.
Tastes vile.
Now comes the reckoning. Sophia, face me, usurper!
Oh, you really think you can beat me?
A ver.
Quiet, dwarf! bleed to bleed.
Cuchipa. Venga ya, venga ya. Venga ya. Ese no tienes tu berriro. Berria rapatu naute. Txoen. Itxaroteagatik. Ala. Venga, o sea, venga ya. Venga ya.
The upright once more, Saltfire.
Move, you lazy self!
Berriro. O sea, hau zer da, broma bat. Benetan. Benetan, berriro. Berriro. Sigue siendo siniestro.
A fine day, as long as you avert your eyes from Helmgard. Blessed Sigmar. Someone set the Black Grail loose in Bretonnia. I thought we'd put a stop to that. Let me guess. You used to think you were in this, but you ain't sure any longer.
Eso. Bueno, naiz, bakarrik. Ja, justa azken momentuan beti,
Well, this escapade's rotting to mulch faster than I'd like. Taking back a wizard's tower from an intruder. That's all well and good. But when she's a necromancer, and kin to our Sienna, there's no way that's not gonna get messy before we're done. Mayflies.
Gruber.
Let's be about our business, Lumberfoots.
Hei, hori orain berdin zai.
This is your last warning. Turn back or face my wrath.
Are you deaf? There's a Chaos Warrior near.
I come for you, Elfwitch!
Dai, ma non dago.
Dead assassin, but not before time.
Leave my test subjects well alone.
Ja. Esa pilua ez dugu lortzen.
I believe I have something similar.
Bisa kirim buat animator dan hemen.
Dibs on the bomb.
Chaos Warrior, move me, please! Release for me!
Warfire!
Let the wind be a bit! No more fires!
Oh, here we are. Some people just don't know when they're not wanted. I was minding my own business, but no!
Oof.
Can't have that, can we? Oh, just walk away, and we won't say any more about it. I think that's fair. Don't you? If you stay, Well, I guess we'll have a little fun, won't we? Well, I will, anyhow. Doodles, darlings.
You need the door open. I reckon I'd start by destroying the walls.
Vale. Lo voy a hacer. No esquiva esto.
A hoograts, cruel amongst a cruel kin.
The Packmaster's done for!
Looking good. I think I heard the door open.
Goazen aurrera berriro.
How am I supposed to tidy all this up?
Can you climb those ropes, mayflies? Quit your yammering! There's a Chaos Warrior near. Just what we needed.
Chaos Warrior dead.
Sluggards one and all, pick up your feet and keep moving.
Zuek ez dituzu hartu ikusten dudan.
If you have a point to make, Kruber, just make it.
I did. You missed it.
Over here, mayflies. Lend me your might.
The door will be locked. Seek out the release levers.
Ah, vale, que ahí te vela.
Blackfire, on its way.
Oh, why won't you just leave me be?
Blightstorm is near, mayflies. mayflies.
Carve them up!
Dead end, it seems.
Spread out. One of us has to reach that flight. Good shot!
Se ha ticado.
More mayflies. I don't want any part of it. Look out! Whoa! On this, at least, we agree.
Elves just can't bear to suffer a scar.
Who'd notice a scar through that beard of yours? Up these steps!
Me metan. Se agarró todito.
A mayfly concoction. Huh, useful enough.
Anyone seek to scry the stars for heretical secrets?
Almost precise enough for an elf. A drunk, blind elf.
Justice has been done.
Este era caballo de un agua.
Go! I'm right behind you. Stairs, mayflies, stairs.
I strip the layers of your souls.
Here, mates. These sweet sorcerer goes to me.
No, vale, ahora.
This way! The air is thick in here!
Good. I'll distract Sophia. You attend to the cursed mist. A concoction of this kind can be destabilized with the proper... Now comes the reckoning. I'll have your bones for the wolves, thief!
Oh, leave me alone, you old hag!
That shot was acceptable.
It won't interfere with my plans.
The more I hate blames you. Hold on, Mayflies. I'm going to drink.
Eh.
The taste is worse than the smell. Let the weeds be avenged! My lily is under party! Revolting could be worse. Carry their food. The weave is screaming. Kill that Blightstormer.
Approach them!
Get a move on! I don't know how long Alicia can keep her busy.
Joder, Benetan.
Let this potion work.
You'll serve me in death!
We've a leech by the sound of it.
Malice and mercy! Ancient! Lend me your might! An ice storm! Rally gun! There! I need help!
Oh, it's something in store.
I won't die like this!
Moving! Look at where he's got it! Oh, man! I smash up!
Pathetic old woman!
I can Garcia Aresha! The more I hate blames you! That rot hell might test us, Mayflies.
It's nothing. Just training, that's all. Besides, we'll do it without you.
Hush! Can you hear more coming? Drawn to the side of your swollen egos. Let the water cease!
Hau txerrapatzen, tío.
Here, ammunition.
Benetan.
Wait for me! What's this, your mistress of thorns?
You think it's over? Never over! I'll show you all!
Vale.
The triumph of an eye blink only, as is often the case.
My home is mine once more, and Sophia defeated. Well past time.
Vale. Kostata, hazen nolako sufrimendoa. Uf. Vale. Azkenean gainditu dugu abentura. Botekin badere. Eta zailtasunik errezenan badere gainditu dugu abentura. Ui. Bai, itzuli gona naiz. Ba, beno lagunok, hau izan da dena. Espero gustatu izan zaizuela eta hurrengoan gehiago. Agur.